So far, I have made more than 2,032 tokens with Brave browser, which is equal to $201. Today, I'm actually waiting for my earnings to hit $1,000, then I will withdraw this amount to my wallet on Binance. You can freely use either Windows, Android or iOS. They will work just fine on either of these devices on a daily basis. You probably visit many websites. You power on your device, go to your browsers and surf the internet for hours and hours using social media platforms, watching videos, listening to music and reading articles. These are the more major uses of the browser today. But what if I told you that there could be another way which no one is talking about? This is one that you would love to know, and it's about making money. Yeah, you can make money online simply by using certain browser. Use this browser for 7 days to earn up to $700 for yourself. So if you don't want to miss out, make sure to watch until the end to know the secret strategy. And if you like making money online, go ahead and subscribe to Roladel Business and turn on notification. Now, let's make some money. Let's talk about Brave's browser. You should know that this browser is basically a browser similar to Google, but unlike Google, you get fantastic accuracy on results in line with your search keywords, being the search engine with the best privacy online. Brave also claims to be faster than Chrome and with better protection. Let me tell you that Brave is exactly the same in terms of efficiency, navigation, and quick results that are extremely relevant to what you're looking for. But what actually distinguishes Brave from Google and other sites is one simple word, which is making money, and that's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. With this browser, you can actually make real money by browsing and supporting your favorite content creators. You can use this browser for 7 days to earn up to $700. Now, how exactly can you get paid by the Brave? By scrolling down the main page to advanced features, you can see 3 major offerings: advanced security, Brave rewards, and crypto wallet. Let's focus more on this one in the middle, Brave rewards. So, go ahead and click on it to be directed to this page. Earn crypto tokens for your attention by opting into privacy preserving first-party ads. With Brave Reward, you can earn cryptocurrency just for browsing and use them for almost anything. You can earn cash, gift cards, crypto, and more with Brave. If you're a bit familiar with cryptocurrency, I want you to know that this Brave browser actually has its own crypto token which you can exchange for real money after you've earned it. The name of this token is called Basic Attention Token because that is all they require of you to make money online with your browser. This Basic Attention Token is currently trading at around 29 cents in the crypto market as at the time of making this video. You can exchange your earned tokens for free to real money on many crypto sites like Binance. Now, coming back to the Brave platform, this is what the browser would look like when you download and open it. So far, I have made over 2,032 with Brave, which is equal to $701. Today, I'm actually waiting for my earnings to hit $1,000, and I will send this amount to my wallet on Binance to withdraw it into real money. Also notice that I have earned over 880 in October so far and giving other tokens as a gift to some creators. Since I started using Brave browser, I have gotten over 338,000 trackers, as you can see from the screen here. With that said, you should be delighted to know that the Brave works perfectly on all devices that you own. You can freely use either Android or iOS because they work just fine on either of these devices. By default, the Brave browser rips out all the creepy ads and tracker from every web page you visit. Then it gives you the choice to see Brave private ads. This is what you get paid for viewing the personalized ads from the Brave private ad. If you're enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to hit the like button below and subscribe to Roladel Business so that you will stay updated on new videos like this. Let's go on. In case you don't know, different companies pay Brave browser to display their ads on their service, and you would earn a commission on the payment for each ad you successfully watch. You also get rewarded with Basic Attention tokens. You may like to know what the Brave ads looks like. I can't show some to you here on my browser because that could be an issue for me with YouTube's advertiser. So go ahead and visit to start yours and see how it goes. However, this site gives a very clear description of them. They can come as a sleek background image on a new browser tab or as a card in your Brave newsfeed or even a small push notification. Now, what can you do with this basic token attention token that you would be earning? You can exchange it for gift cards, store and swap it like any other crypto assets in your crypto wallet. So this is really an amazing one. Go ahead, head back to the home page to join the more than 50 million people who trust Brave for a faster, safer web. Click here to download Brave and use this browser for 7 days to earn $700 like me.